What's good, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to make really good animation ads for your e-commerce store. Just look at this.
If women walk right past you, it's not your face. You shower, you shave, you do everything right. You put on the cologne.
So yeah, I'm gonna show you in this video how to create those. But before we're gonna start, just look at this. I'm Elias, the founder of Polaris and Ecom School. In the Ecom School you can see people actually hitting 30k days, making the first sale, fucking scaling. You can see here this guy runs a supplement brand in the USA with a $7 CPA, $20 CPA, and it's consistent. And in the USA, $20 CPA is like a dream. I don't know, I think he has a $200 AOV, so it's a fucking scale. And all with this, with the cartoon ads. So let me show you how I did it. So first, because I said I'm the owner of Polaris, we're gonna use Polaris because it's better than Higgsfield, cheaper than Higgsfield, and if you connect it inside of Claude, your Claude gets actually smarter. So it's basically a no-brainer. You get 50% off today if you just get it today. Yeah. Go inside of the resources. I cannot leak it, wait. Press inside of the resources, go inside of this file. Boom, copy this shit, okay. Then you're gonna go inside of Claude. Wait, let me show you. Go inside of Claude, paste it in. You can see here, I just filled out these blankets. Like, yeah, it should be a dirty old man in a suit, and this is the product. And I just added the reference image. You need those reference images, and where you could find them is like, go on X, spy your competitor, just get a reference image. And you could also add your product image too. So, but I didn't have the product, so I did it without. And Polaris directly generated this image, and it looks fucking incredible. Then with the script was mainly the problem, like for other tools, like not Polaris. But now you're gonna just copy this prompt, paste it in, blah blah blah. Also this down there, like don't forget it. Then it's gonna get like good copywriting, but don't take this, okay? Please read this script and look if it's good. Like here's proof block, product name, because I didn't tell Claude what's the product name. But please read this if that makes sense. And if not, just tweak it around, because the script is real important for your e-com store or like for your ads. And if the script is as, you're not gonna make some sales. But Claude is gonna provide a good script, you just need to tweak it around. So I just said, yeah, give me some random numbers because of the YouTube video. Just did random numbers and the product name. Then how do I create those start frames? Because many people struggle with them. Prompt, boom, paste it in, and then you're gonna get the start frames. That's how easy it is. You can see here, the start frames look incredible good, and it's also emotional. Like the storytelling is good, it's emotional. It actually has a villain, a fucking core belief, everything. And you can see here, it also has like humor, like your ugly friend gets bitches now. So it's kind of funny. I think it will perform because, yeah. Then for making the animations was a hard part too before Polaris. Now it's just one prompt. So you can see here, gonna scroll down, boom, copy this prompt, paste it in, and now the animations are finished. Bro, like if you cannot make ads nowadays, you need to be dumb, like you need to be cooked, because it's so fucking easy. So after, so now he made all these fucking clips. You could just press on download. Now he made all the clips, you can just press on download and that's it. And for like the voice, there's also the prompt, paste it in like on the file. You can see here, paste it in. You're gonna get this prompt, paste it into 11 labs. You're gonna get the fucking shit. We also have 11 labs on Polaris, so no worries. Background music, boom, scroll down, paste this prompt in for background music, boom. And now we're gonna go to CapCut. So what I did, now inside of CapCut, you see here, the clips are usually longer. And there are some white, like, no talking spaces, like dead spaces. You need to remove them. It takes 4 minutes or something. And you just need to cut them a bit. But it's not like crazy work. Maybe 4 minutes. I did it. It turns out good. And how to add captions, because the captions from CapCut really suck and I wouldn't use them. Go back inside Polaris, press on extra tools, go on auto captions, paste the fucking ad in, and your ad should be finished. And if you have more questions, how to create talking ads, like this is a voiceover ad, And the Polaris users already know this because there are resources inside I can for a leak. And yeah, they're like talking, had Yapper ads, realistic AI UGC, how to clone ads. It's like a crazy thing because many people rip ads one by one, but you could just clone them with Polaris so you don't get flagged. Mm, yeah, just type in the comments what you want to see next, which ad, and follow me, please, bro. I need those followers. So yeah, get 50% today. If not, bro, it's not that deep. Like, it doesn't change my life if you buy it today. So yeah, easy.